Hi there. Are you ready for today's science topic? Today, we are going to learn something really fun and a little bit magical. So get ready because this is a cool science trick your eyes play on you. So, have you ever put a pencil in a glass of water and seen it looking bent or broken? Today, we will discover why that happens. And trust me, it's not the pencil's fault. When you put a pencil in a glass of water, it suddenly looks bent or snapped in half. But the pencil is perfectly normal. So why does it look bent? Let's find out. First, let's understand why do we see things. We see things because light falls on them and bounces back into our eyes. And in science, we call this as reflection. Light reflects off of everything around you, whether it's your pencil, your books, or even your friends' faces. That's how your eyes know what's around you. Now, when light travels in just one type of a thing, in science terms, we call this thing as material, like only in air, it goes straight. It doesn't turn or bend, just straight, like a line drawn with a ruler. But when light moves from one material into another, like from air into water or water back into air, it bends. And this bending has a big science name: refraction. Say it with me: refraction. Don't worry, you don't have to remember the word right now. Just know that it simply means light is changing direction. And this bending is what creates the magic trick we are learning today. So, when a pencil is placed in a glass of water, one part stays in the air and the other part goes into the water. Now, for the part of the pencil in the air, light travels through air, hits the pencil, and bounces back straight to your eyes. No bending happens here. But for the part inside the water, light bends as soon as it enters the water and bends again when it comes out of the water into the air. So now the light from the air part and the light from the water part come to your eyes in different ways. This tricks your eyes into thinking the pencil is bent even though it isn't. The pencil isn't broken at all. The part under the water only looks like it has moved because the bending light makes it appear in a different place. Your eyes then think the pencil is in two different positions, hence the pencil appears bent. You can try this fun trick at home yourself with the help of your parents. Put a pencil, a spoon, or even a straw in a glass of water. Watch how all of them suddenly look bent. It's the light bending that makes this happen. Give it a try yourself. All right. Now let's quickly remember everything we discovered today. We see things because light bounces back or reflects into our eyes. Light travels straight in one type of thing, material, like only air. Light bends when it moves from one material to another, like from air to water or from water to air, and this bending is known as refraction. A pencil in water looks bent because light from one part in water bends before reaching your eyes. Your eyes get different light from the air part and the water part, so the pencil looks bent. Now it's time for quiz. Are you ready? Let's start. First question. What helps us see things around us? Sound bouncing back into our eyes? Light bouncing back into our eyes? Air bouncing back into our eyes? Think about what we learned in the beginning. What actually goes into our eyes? Yes, the correct answer is we see things around us because of light bouncing back into our eyes. Very good. Next question. How does light travel when it is in just one material like air? It keeps turning, it bends a lot, it travels straight. Remember what we said about ruler straight light? Yes, so the correct answer is it travels straight. Very good. Next question. What happens when light moves from air to water or water to air? It disappears, it bends, it becomes louder. Think, this is the whole reason the pencil looks bent. Yes, the correct answer is that the light bends from when it moves from air to water or from water to air. Very good. Next question. Why does the pencil in water look bent? Light from the water part bends before reaching your eyes. The water breaks the pencil. The pencil is actually curved. Try remembering how the light acts in water. Yes, the correct answer is light from the water part bends before reaching your eyes. Excellent. Next question. Which part of the pencil sends straight light to your eyes? Part inside the water, the part under the glass, the part in the air. Recall, in air, light doesn't bend. So the correct answer is the part in the air sends straight light back to your eyes. Last question. What will you notice when you put a spoon or straw in water? They'll look bent, they'll change color, or they'll all melt in water. Think of the experiment from earlier. Yes, the correct answer is that they will all look bent. Very good. Well done, young scientists. You just learned one of light's coolest tricks. Next time something looks funny or weird in water, you will know exactly why. Keep observing, keep asking questions, and science will keep surprising you.